Have you ever seen what a $330,000 fifth wheel looks like? Let's take a look. Introducing a very limited supply. I think there's less than 50 of these units that came to Canada, about 150 in the States. It is a 2023 Riverstone Signature Series. The model number is 41RL. I assure you, you have never seen anything like this. This is absolutely incredible. First off, a beautiful, beautiful paint. We got armless Girard awnings, just like a Newmar motorhome. Of course, solid steps. We got the Truma instant hot water, tri-axle with disc brakes, frameless windows, dual pane, slide toppers, 3 ACs up on the roof. We got a beautiful fiberglass cap here up on the rear. Of course, backup camera, trailer hitch. Take a look at this 50 amp power connection on a power reel. Holy crack-a-mole. Yes, it does have a solar panel. There's one battery. Room for more. Let me show you something else over here. Not 20-pound propane tanks, not 30, but 40-pound propane tanks. Let's take a look at this underbelly storage. Can I do that? No, I can't. I gotta use both hands. Okay, both hands opened up. There's the other door up on the other side. Take a look. So aluminum construction is awesome, nice and light. This is the front of it, the fifth wheel part of it is actually steel construction. Take a look. That is the plumbing. So for some reason you want to do maintenance or there's a leak somewhere, anything, you can shut valves individually. You don't have to shut the whole thing off. So that means you can still use your coach if you've sprung a leak, let's say in the, I don't know, washer dryer. Yeah, I never mentioned that. It's got a washer dryer. Let's go see the dishwasher too. Let's go in. I gotta point this out. Nice glass door with a touchpad keyless entry. Okay, walking in this limited edition Signature Series. Brace yourself. You've never seen anything like it. Folks, no doubt we realize that the customers that are going to be looking at this will also be considering a diesel pusher. That decision is not easy. You gotta get yourself a nice heavy-duty truck. Folks, your Ford F-250 with the turbo diesel is not heavy enough for this. This is just over 19,000 pounds dry. You can definitely feel the weight when I move it around with our tractor. Look at that extra wide sofa. That, of course, converts into a bed. We got theater seats directly in front of the TV. But folks, attention to detail. Riverstone build quality is not like anything else. Cedar Creek is definitely good quality. This is kind of the big brother to the Cedar Creek. The walls are 1 inch thicker. The quality of the woods are a little nicer. Take a look. So you got daytime and nighttime shades. Look at the wooden valances with glass in them. European style cabinetry. Every single window has this eloquent workmanship, woodwork. Let's open this up. Nice and heavy. That feels solid. No carpet whatsoever. Of course, the backup camera system is included. A fireplace does throw out some heat. Huge TV, but take a look at this little party trick. This opens up, automatic light comes on. Look at the storage. Subwoofer, Of course, there's speakers all throughout. I'm looking up at the ceiling. I see whisper quiet AC vents. Take a look at the line. No slant. That's a 90-degree line. Waterfall countertop. That is definitely no easy bake oven. Samsung microwave is a convection microwave. Yeah, you got yourself a dishwasher. Oh yeah. Let's take a look up here. Comes with a Dyson vacuum. These are Girard Awnings controls. Storage up here. More up here. Beautiful, beautiful cabinets. Now, let's go up the hall. Awesome window over here. But take a look at this. Of course, that's going to be a porcelain toilet. Nice skylight. Folks, that is porcelain tile. Super heavy. Look at that mirror. Looks like it's floating. Oops. Across the ways right here. Of course, you can live in this thing. We got ourselves a washer and dryer. And we got ourselves a $200 basket right there. I don't know if that's what it costs, but I'm sure it does. Okay, wow, 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 wow. This is what I'm talking about. A master bedroom to die for. Absolutely, I don't know if that's king or super king, but it's definitely a huge, huge bed. We got reading lights on both sides. And of course, we got this beautiful, beautiful nook in the front with that automotive front windshield. Another fireplace. Great spot here to jump on Facebook. Let your family know what you're doing in Florida. Solar panel system. Wow. All right, folks. Yes. Riverstone wants us to sell this for $330,000. That is the MSRP. Just under. We are going to sell this for considerably less. If you have a trade-in or a motorhome, please give us a call. We're going to be generous. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. For you US shoppers out there, that is going to be on the east coast of Canada. Hopefully, we will be talking soon. 506-388-5751. Call to book your appointment today. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.